Hey, what's up guys, this is Anirudh here, back with another video. When it comes to the experience of using any OnePlus device, in my opinion, Oxygen OS plays a very big role. Right from the fast and smooth UI to the subtle touches they have added here and there like haptic feedback when you press the play and pause button on Netflix, Oxygen OS blows away every other Android skin out there. And features like quick launch and quick reply in landscape add to the already great experience. So when it comes to the software, OnePlus has really done a great job. The display of the OnePlus 8 is simply gorgeous. While some dislike the curves on the edges, I am totally fine with it as the radius of the curve is not as high as the one in the 8 Pro. Apart from that, the Full HD resolution 90Hz refresh rate make it a treat to consume content on this device. Coupled with that display, we have the dual stereo speakers which are so good that once you start using a stereo speaker, then there is no turning back. The sound from the speakers is rich and there is no distortion even in higher volumes. Talking about the speakers, let's talk about the exterior of the OnePlus 8. The matte textured glass, the cold touch of the metal, the curved edges on both the front and the back actually make up for a very premium feel while holding the device. The clicky and tactile metal buttons and the super useful alert slider are icing on the cake. I don't know why other manufacturers haven't copied this feature yet, but I wish they do. Okay, now let's talk about those cameras. I really like the pictures that this phone was able to take. The photos turned out to be pretty good with decent dynamic range and sharpness. But these are clearly not the best out there. If you care a lot about the camera quality, then you should probably look at the 8 Pro or even the Pixel 4a. But I personally always use the Google camera mod and that really did make a difference in the image quality and a huge difference in HDR. I will leave links to download the Google camera app down in the description, so check them out. Coming to the front camera, I honestly did not like the selfies from the OnePlus 8 stock camera app. They lack detail and the overall colors seem to be a little off. Again, use the Google camera app, get better shots, as simple as that. Okay, now let's dive into the internals. The OnePlus 8 comes with the top of the line Snapdragon 865 and that coupled with OnePlus's awesome optimization in the software front, this phone is a performance beast. This phone will handle anything that you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Be it intense gaming, high resolution photo editing or even video editing for that matter, the OnePlus 8 cruises through everything. At the same time, this phone manages to last a whole day too. I was able to constantly get about 5.5 to 6 hours of screen on time daily. And even if you are low on battery, you can juice it up quickly with a 30-watt warp charger included in the box. So yeah, that was my experience with the OnePlus 8. I honestly don't have anything to complain about this phone except for the cameras. They're not bad by any means, but they could have been better. I tried my best to describe my experience with the OnePlus 8. If you think I left out something, then do let me know in the comment section below. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here and follow me on Instagram and Twitter where I'll be active most of the time. Thanks a lot for watching and this is Anirudh signing off. Cheers. Find yourself, no